Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch SE. First, let's get it set up. Begin by pairing your Apple Watch SE with your iPhone using the dedicated Watch app. Simply follow the clear, on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup. Once paired, you can easily navigate your watch face by swiping and rotating the digital crown. Press the side button to quickly access your dock and recently used applications, making your daily interactions smooth and efficient. Your Apple Watch SE is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate throughout the day using the Heart Rate app. Strive to close your 3 activity rings daily: move, exercise, and stand to achieve your fitness goals. You can also track a wide variety of workouts, from running and swimming to cycling, with precise metrics. Plus, it provides helpful reminders to stand up and encourages mindful breathing, supporting your overall well-being. Staying connected is effortless with your Apple Watch SE. You can make and receive phone calls directly from your wrist, ensuring you never miss an important conversation. Easily send and reply to messages using convenient dictation or quick, preset replies. Get instant notifications from all your favorite apps, keeping you informed at a glance. Furthermore, use Apple Pay for secure, contactless payments at millions of locations, making transactions quick and simple with just a tap. Personalize your Apple Watch SE to truly make it your own. Customize your watch face with various complications and colors to display the information most important to you. Adjust settings like brightness and text size for optimal comfort and readability. To extend your usage, enable low power mode, which can boost battery life up to an impressive 36 hours. Don't forget to explore the App Store directly on your watch for exciting new applications and features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.